How to change phone number in Wise account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily change phone number for your Wise account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google application in your device and in the search bar type Wise. Once you do so, hit the search icon and simply click on the first website as that is the official website of Wise. Once you click on it, you will be directed toward the home page of Wise application. Now, here you see the option of login. Simply click on it and provide your details there. Once you log in into your account, you will see the option of My Account. In the settings, simply go to My Account and there you will see information related to your account. Simply click on it and click on the pen icon or edit icon beside your phone number. Once you click on it, you simply need to enter your new phone number with which you want to replace the old one. After that, a verification code will be sent to your new phone number, providing which you will be able to validate your identification and your phone number will be changed successfully. So that's all. That is how easily you can change your phone number in Wise account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.